Chapter 3, Mishnah 4. As we have learned, the touch of a Tevul Yom renders teruma unfit to be eaten. The Mishnah cites a dispute about the effect that his touch has upon a mixture of teruma and chulin, which is called demua. A chulin dough that became a demua mixture because some teruma dough became mixed with it. Or a chulin dough that was leavened with sourdough of teruma, which is also forbidden as a demua mixture, does not become unfit through the touch of a Tevul Yom. Although these mixtures are forbidden to non-Kohanim because of the teruma that is in them, this Tana does not treat them like teruma when it comes to the touch of a Tevul Yom, and they remain tahor. However, other Tanaim disagree. But Rabbi Yossi and Rabbi Shimon say that we view these types of mixtures as teruma in all regards, and the Tevul Yom renders them unfit, just like any other teruma food. In a Mishnah in the previous chapter, chapter 2, Mishnah 3, we learned that liquids can sometimes combine separate teruma items to be considered connected, so that if a Tevul Yom touches one of them, it is considered as if he has touched all of them. An example of this would be a dough made of teruma. Although the dough is made of many flakes of teruma flour, the water in the dough combines the flour flakes, so that if a Tevul Yom touches any part of the dough, the entire dough becomes pasul. The Mishnah discusses the law in a case where the dough was not kneaded with water, but with fruit juice. A dough was made with flour from wheat that had previously been rendered susceptible to tumah through having been wetted by one of the 7 liquids. And the flour was then kneaded into a dough with fruit juice instead of water, and a Tevul Yom touched it. Rabbi Yehoshua issued a ruling regarding how much of the dough becomes pasul, but there was a dispute between 2 of his students as to what Rabbi Yeshua actually said. Rabbi Elazar ben Yehuda, leader of Bar Tosa, says in the name of Rabbi Yeshua, the Tevul Yom renders the entire dough unfit. According to Rabbi Elazar ben Yehuda, Rabbi Yeshua ruled that even fruit juice, which is not one of the 7 liquids, can combine the flakes of flour into a single mass, and therefore it is considered as if the Tevul Yom touched all of them, and the entire dough becomes pasul. But Rabbi Akiva says in his, Rabbi Yeshua's name, the Tevul Yom renders unfit only the actual place that he touched. According to Rabbi Akiva, Rabbi Yeshua ruled that the fruit juice does not combine the flour flakes into a single mass. Therefore, only the piece of dough that the Tevul Yom touched is pasul. The rest of the dough remains tahor.